A common request with multiple Notion project management systems is the ability to predefine groups of tasks that can be reused in individual projects. That's what the task groups do in the PM dashboard. So if we go to the task group for widget tasks, we'll see we have a base task, a parent task with 3 child tasks. They're all in the task group for widget tasks. We have milestones already defined for this project, and these tasks kick in at the onboarding and execution stages. Developers of the teams are responsible, and we have when the stages, the milestones, are set to start. So sometime in February of 23. The dates for the milestones when you are defining your defaults are mostly irrelevant. They're just used as relative starting points. We can also expand to see these default tasks on a timeline, where we see that in addition to the parent-child relationships, we also have dependency relationships set up. So if one of the tasks takes longer and slides to the right, it'll slide the other task to the right with it. The message over here on the right lets us know that there's automation pending. The message clears after the automation is already run, and that lets us know that this default task group is ready to use inside of a project. So when we were defining our default task, note that the stages started sometime in February of 23, whereas in our new project that we're going to work with, we have told it that our stages for onboarding and execution start sometime in December. Each project defines its own stage dates. So now in this project, I'm going to tell it that I want to load the tasks from the widget task group. It knows that it's waiting for automation to kick off. It started processing, and in a moment we'll see the tasks start to populate here. And note here that the due dates are relative to the stages for this project, independent of how they were defined in the default task group. You also see that the tasks are automatically replicating the parent-child relationships. And if we go to the timeline view, we see that the dependencies have been replicated as well. Lastly, if we wanted, we can also pull in multiple task groups, and in the event that a particular task is in more than one group, it will make sure not to duplicate any tasks. The benefit to you of this feature is that you can fully define a group of tasks that you know you need to use on a recurring basis in multiple projects, and automatically have those tasks pulled into your project while respecting the individual milestone dates for each project. It saves you a tremendous amount of work.